Hello students, welcome back to SciMath videos. It's a short video on how to speak English confidently. Most of my subscribers, they had asked for this video. So if I am doing this video, that does not mean I am very 100% very confident about speaking English or I know everything about English. Even I am learning, and learning is a long-term process. Since I am a maths teacher, I would say learning is an irrational number which never ends. Okay, it always goes and goes. Okay. So now, but I have few tips so that we can improve our speaking ability, English speaking ability by doing these stuffs. Okay. So let me bring out what are these tips that we need to follow. The first tip is we must be confident that we will speak. First of all, we must be confident, and everybody can learn English. I know most of my friends who studied in government schools and later on they managed to speak English so well that today they present wonderful lectures in other countries, not in India, and other countries. So it is definitely possible for all of you to confidently speak English. Okay, this is the first point. Second important tip I want to give all of you is we must read. When coming to read, what to read? There are so many things that we need to read. First thing, we need to make habit of reading the textbook, especially English textbooks, whether it be mathematics, science, social or English. Reading the textbook will help us in getting idea of many words. Okay, how to present when we present a sentence. Okay, all this we get idea from reading. Okay, one thing is reading textbook. Next thing is you can read novels. Especially reading novels will help you. Novels, storybook, which will give you wide idea about so many things. Not only by reading novels, not only English you learn, you also learn so many things. So reading habit, especially novels and stories, will definitely help you. Okay. So next important thing that you should read is newspapers. We must know what is happening around us. Okay, it is very essential today if you go to any competitive examination or to be for the existence. Since we are human, we have to know what is happening around us. Okay, we should not be concerned about my home and only me. Okay, because whatever is happening in the society will have direct impact on me. Therefore, reading the newspapers, especially English newspapers, is very important. Newspapers will definitely help you for your overall development. Okay, so these are the three things. So read textbooks, read novels and storybooks, and read newspapers are a very important thing. And next important tip is you have to watch. What to watch? Watch few English lectures that are there in YouTube. Okay, English movies. Okay, and English news channels. By watching all this, you will definitely pick up so many words. You will pick up the accent. You will pick up so many things, and also gain knowledge. So watching English news channels, watching English YouTube lectures or YouTube, there are various channels. I watch many science channels, like there are few channels called as science channels, okay, which are very interesting, and maths channels, very interesting. They give ideas about whatever is happening in the field of maths and science. So many things I get to know by watching these videos, and also we get knowledge, and also we can pick up many words, and it will definitely help us in speaking English well. Okay, so watching is a very important habit. So next important habit is listening. What to listen? Listening your teachers. Okay, because most of our teachers, of course all the teachers in our school, when your lectures, they of course speak English. So there it is very important to pick up those things and how they confidently speak in front of you. All that thing you can definitely learn by listening to your lectures. And also there are many, you should also listen the podcast. You know, there is something called as podcast. It is like audio books. Okay, some discussions only where you can hear just the voice. Okay, all that. There are Google Podcast. There is Google Podcast where there are many speeches, there are many discussion, various things. There are many apps in your social media, in your Android store, podcast, where they are already recorded. You can go and hear to them. So by that also you listen English podcast. So it will definitely help you to gain knowledge and also your English speaking ability. So next important thing, very important thing according to me, is to participate. Participate in what? Participate in all the extracurricular activities that your college or school does. Why it helps us? You will first of all learn what you may do mistakes there, but you have to first of all learn to participate in all the competitions, quiz competition, speech competition, debate competition, group discussion. So it will definitely help you to give you exposure, and you will prepare something. When it is come to competition, you will definitely prepare something and go. You might make mistake, you might not win prizes, but most importantly, you will get exposure to so many things by participating in debate, all the extracurricular activities. Wherever there is something related to speech, of course you can participate in all the extracurricular activities, but wherever there is something concerned to speech and talking, you must participate. So there you will learn to how to face the audience, how to speak, how to exactly manage it. And before going to this debate shows or anything, you will of course practice and go in front of mirror, you will practice in front of somebody, you will practice. So there you will learn so many things, and it will give you boost and confidence to face and talk English, basically talk English. So this is the things that I could do, and I am able to speak at least so much. I am still perfect, I am not still perfect, I am still learning, but I feel these are the things will definitely help you for learning English and also for your overall development. Okay, so these are my important tips to learn and speak English confidently. And also by doing this, you can also write English. You also try to write English. You might write English very well, because all these things will definitely help you in also put forward whatever you have learned. To put it forward, you need idea. So by doing all these things, you'll get lots of ideas, and definitely you can put those things back in your writing skills. So these are the important things that I wanted to say. So still, if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you.